Of the 500 species at Chester, some are perfectly suited to a Christmas card.
We're used to seeing robins, camels maybe, but why not have a Christmas card with an aardvark on it? Santa Claus hat, Christmas pudding under his arm. Perfect.
All over the zoo, Christmas celebrations are gathering pace.
Hi guys! Oh, it's Christmas! Are you excited? What's in here? What have we got for you?
Poorly golden-headed lion Tamarin Prue is bulking up on festive vegetables with her sisters and Ting.
Look, there's loads to choose from in there. What have you got? Bit of carrot. Nice. Look, she's so sweet.
We're just pouring it in, yeah?
While a dinner of iced Christmas treats is a suitably frosty affair for the short-clawed otters.
Hi, guys!
And their long-suffering
Oh,
neighbours.
what's that? But now the pigs are out, they want their presents. That's one nervous but curious pig.
And back at the meerkat paddock,
Oh, what are you like?
while the youngsters steal the hat from Santa's head,
Santa? It's not really Santa, it's me.
Beagle finally gets his Christmas treat.
Happy Christmas.
In the run-up to Christmas, Chester's keepers like to play Santa, handing out surprises to keep the animals stimulated.
Most of the animals have been good. I'm sure Santa will be visiting them with some lovely presents.
Hi guys. Hi. What's this? Is it Christmas presents?
This year, the meerkats are receiving Christmas eggs with tasty treats inside.
Meerkats love anything paper mache, so if we can make little paper mache balls and stuff that's Christmas themed, then the meerkats love them.
Is that just what you wanted for Christmas, guys? Oh dear.
During the Christmas period, the animals receive festive treats. The miniature monkeys are having monkey-friendly mince pies. And for the Sulawesi macaques,
Right, guys, you ready for Christmas Day?
it's Christmas puddings, made from primate pellets.
At Christmas, all it takes is a gesture.
This is a snowman, allegedly. It's not my best work, if I'm brutally honest. Some of my colleagues have kind of very much poo-pooed this idea, but to be honest, I'm feeling more Christmassy already.
I think it looks very festive.
Free treats here.
Recipients of the festive watermelon are Asian forest tortoises, Anna and Meg.
They've never had watermelon before, so it is, quite a nice opportunity to do something that we've never done before.
Melon?
Yeah, the shapes are more for me. Go on, have some star. Go on, have it. Have some star. Don't let it be said that I didn't go to any effort, okay? Can I interest you in a little more snowman?
Christmas spirit
Mike, are you in position?
I am, yeah.
is starting to snowball,
Okay, Operation Christmas. Do you think they'll like it?
and the aquarium team are busy bringing goodwill to all fish, not forgetting the mollusks.
It's a bit on a wonk. Perfect.
tanks are soon festooned with fish-friendly decorations, and seaweed presents are under the tree.
Do you think they know Santa's on his way?
Well, he's already there, isn't he?
Endangered Asiatic lions Iblis and Kumari recently began mating again.
Iblis and Kumari's relationship, they've always got on pretty well, but they've definitely become a lot closer. They tend to spend a lot more time together now, which is awesome.
And the keepers have bought them a bumper Christmas present to celebrate.
Oh, it's such a shame it doesn't jingle when it rolls.
We've got them this really cool, heavy-duty, giant ball.
Right then.
So yeah, I guess it's just like a giant cat toy for lions.
Merry Christmas, lions.
Hopefully if they try and pick it up, they're dragging it around the paddock, things like that, it's going to keep them physically fit whilst they're having lots of fun.
But the lions don't appear too impressed by their gift.
We have all these ideas of what the animal's going to do, and it's all very excited, and you're like, oh, it's going to be amazing. And then it's a massive anticlimax. Well, you can't please everyone, can you?
Though the ball wasn't a hit, Iblis has found a use for the Christmas tree as a fragrant scratching post.
Merry Christmas, Ibs.
I'm slightly worried that she's just going to grab hold of me in this hat.
Hopefully, the taste of turkey will be enough to bring around. If not, cranberry sauce.
Stay back, beast. Whoa, that's pretty heavy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on.
But Bali doesn't seem interested.
Come on, man.
Excellent. This could be really exciting in a minute.
Finally, Christmas dinner is served in the reptile house.
It's a pretty big relief to have her eating. And eating a turkey at Christmas that's got to be what Christmas is about, isn't it?
The turkey is much wider than her head, but she's perfectly equipped to deal with it.
They don't dislocate their jaws, as is often sort of like believed, but they've got very sort of flexible joints in the front jaws which allow them to stretch an awful lot. And that sort of helps them get their mouths around the prey item.
Bali literally wriggles her skull over the turkey, covering it with a saliva gravy.
The top jaws can sort of move almost next to each other and walk down their prey item, slowly dragging it into their stomach. Definitely seems to be enjoying it. It'll probably take Bali 3 to 4 weeks to fully digest it, and probably at least a month before we see the remnants coming out at the end, and I'm not really looking forward to that. It's going to be terrible.
But at least Bali has rediscovered her appetite, thanks to a festive change of diet.